Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Varakmar. Today we are going to solve a problem from the chapter Progressions exercise 6.3 11th problem student. See here what he is asking to find us. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So student, before going to solve the problem, just we have to analyze what he has given, what we have to find. So this this problem depends upon the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression student. See here how can we solve. Just we have to what he has given, what we have to find. So students are decided to plant the trees in the school and around the school he has given, and he is saying that student, see here there are 12 classes in the school. So how many classes student? There are 12 classes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like this up to there are 12 classes in the school, and each class has 3 sections student. Each class has how many sections? Suppose let it is 3 sections A, B, C. So here also A, B, C, here also A, B, C, like this. So and so on. Suppose each class has 3 sections, and each section will plant 1 tree. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, totally first class plants 3 trees, here 2 student. So see here what he has given. A section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees. Here class 2 will plant 2 trees. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, total it is 6 student. Here class 3 will plant 3. So it is 9. So in the same way here it is 12 and 12. So totally it is 36. So now we have to find the total number of trees planted by the students. So now we have to find the total number, sum of all these, that is 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus dash dash plus 36. Now we have to find the sum of all these trees student. So it is nothing but sum of the, so here it forms an arithmetic progression. Here it forms an arithmetic progression. So the difference of every 2 successive terms is same. So it forms an arithmetic progression student. Now we have to use sum of the n terms to find the sum of all the trees student. So that we have to find. So this is the analyzation of the problem student, and now we have to solve. Student, if you are watching first time my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Whenever I upload the videos, you can get a notification. So and you also share the videos to your friends student, and if you understand the video, tell your opinion in the comments section. So now we have to solve the problem. So student, now we have to find the solution for the given problem. So see student, there are totally 12 classes in the school. There are 12 classes in the school, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 12. So the list of plants planted by each class. The list of plants planted by each class will be 1 2 3 4 5 dash dash up to 12, but there are 3 sections, in each class. Then the list of plants planted will be, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on up to 36 student. Just you have to understand student what he has given. I have written there are totally 12 classes in the school, like 1 2 3 4 up to first class to 12th class student. The list of plants planted by each class will be 1 2 3 4 5. So first class student plants 1 tree, second class student plants 2 trees, third class students plant 3 trees and so on up to 12th class students plants 12 trees. But there are 3 sections in each class, then the list of plants planted will be, so here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 up to 36. So see student, now we have to we have to find the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. In the same way I want to find A3 minus A2. So A3 minus A2 is 9 minus 6, which is also 3. So here the difference of every two successive terms is equal student, so it forms an AP. Therefore it forms an AP. It forms an AP. So here the first term A is equal to student 3 and the common difference D is also 3, and the last term or the nth term AN is equal to 36 students. Just see here, so this is the first term, A is equal to 3, the common difference D is equal to 3 and the last term AN is equal to 36. So now we have to find the sum of all the, so therefore we have to find the total trees. So total number of trees is equal to total number of trees A is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus dash dash up to 36 student. So it is nothing but, so sum of the n terms of an AP student, sum of the n terms of an AP, we have to find the sum using the sum of the n terms of an AP. So we have to use the second formula student if we have first term and the last term. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An we have to use. So here we have first and the last terms. So here n is equal to how much student? N is equal to 12. So how much n is equal to 12? So we have, so first we have to write the formula student. We have Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. So here we have all the values student. Yes, n is equal to 12. N is equal to how much student? 12. Therefore yes, 12 is equal to n by 2 is 12 by 2 into A plus An. A is the first term, An is the last term. First term is 3 and the last term is 36 student. Just we have to substitute in the formula. So 2 1s and 2 6 are 12. Here 6 into 3 plus 36 is 39 student. We have to multiply 6 into 39. So 6 into 40 is 240. 6 4s are 24. But 240 minus 6 we have to subtract. Here it is 39. That is 240 minus 6 is 234 student. So therefore the total trees planted by the students is equal to 234 student. Therefore the total trees, the total number of trees, the total number of trees planted by the students planted by the students is equal to 234. So very easy student, like this we can solve the given problem using the sum of the n terms of arithmetic progression. So that's all today's class student. We will meet in the next class with another problem.